What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to HP Society. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. We have the Camaro. Dude, it's been about what, 19 days since I've last posted. When I kid you not, the only time we have some decent weather in Chicago is at night. Like, I swear to God, it is dry now. So let's just do a night vlog. So we got the Z28 looking beautiful. Shout out to Auto Enhancement Pros for always hooking it up. I mean, the car looks absolutely spotless. We actually had an issue. Something fell on the car and caused a lot of scratches. The scratches are completely gone now. Big shout out to my guy Alex from Auto Enhancement Pros. You guys know we've been rocking with him since basically day one of this channel, since 2018, I believe. No, 2017. We've been messing with Alex. So almost 10 years of friendship. We're gonna do a nice little night vlog, you and I. All right. And as you may see, we got some space right here because that's what we're gonna talk about later in the video. Let's get a code start. Oh, fuck. Oh my God, that is loud. That is loud. But what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I know it's been about 20 days since I last posted, and I sincerely apologize for all that. It's if you guys are from Chicago, you guys are from Illinois, you guys know that the weather out here has been so complete shit, and I'm not making that up. I'm not just saying that for content. Seriously, it's been terrible, and obviously the only days I can record are on the weekends, and the weekends is like the only days that it's raining. Like, it makes no sense, but I guess Mother Nature's hating on us, dude. They're hating on us. But we're taking the car out. The wife wants a milkshake, and I want to drive my race car. So it's a win-win for everybody. Ooh-wee. Yeah, she still sounds good, even though it's this. Yes, we still have an exhaust leak. I'm still waiting on Speed Engineering. Their exhaust has been on back order for months now, but I'm still holding on strong, everybody. We're gonna hopefully get that exhaust pretty soon and fix this exhaust leak. I feel like that's why I'm hating this car a lot. Is because of the exhaust leak. I think once the exhaust leak goes away and we actually get a cat back for this thing, I'm gonna fall in love with it. You better not turn, dude. You're about to get me a Z28 LE, dude. No bullshit, you would have got me a Z28 LE if you turned right there, buddy. But as you guys saw, I told you guys that there's more space in the garage now. We are trying to get another project car. I do have some cars in mind. I don't know exactly what it is yet. Do I want another manual? Maybe. Do I want 4x4? Maybe. I just don't know yet. It's a handful of stuff, but I really do miss working on cars myself. You know, this car obviously being worked on by Southwest Auto Works, and you know, big shout out to Pat for working on this car. It's just a little scary to work on a Z28 just because of the fact that it's a very, very rare car. Parts are not cheap at all, and OEM parts for this car are very limited now. All the Z28 parts for this car have been discontinued, and yeah, it's kind of scary to work on. But I trust my guy Pat. He's been working on LS cars for a long time, Pat and Kadar. But I'm super excited for what this car is going to be. Hopefully within the next couple months, we want to be at about 670 wheel. That's our goal. But that's our goal, to be at about 670 wheel. Next thing I definitely want to do is a clutch. I really want to do a clutch for this car, and I think that's going to be like an amazing thing. I feel like getting a clutch is going to be so sick for this car. We had to turn the car off because it's too loud. Well.
Let's pass it away.
Oh my goodness.
You use from all that?
No.
Okay, what can I get for you?
Do you guys have strawberry milkshakes?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, okay. Can I do a medium strawberry milkshake?
Sure.
And then can I do, hey, make it 2 medium strawberry milkshakes.
And the rest can I get for you?
Start this car up again. Oh my goodness. But what's going on? Like I said, we got a bunch of stuff coming for the car. I just don't know what's been going on with the weather, and I can't drive it. It sucks. I actually had a back roads video planned I found a couple back roads like way down south, or well, yeah, like southeast, I guess. I don't know if that makes sense. A little bit towards Peoria. I found a lot of nice roads down there, and I was like, you know what, let's take the Z28 on a nice road trip and go on some nice back roads. It just hasn't worked out, dude, and I really wanted to do that. Take off the drag pack, put some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, the stock wheels, and let's go rip it on some corners, but it just hasn't worked out. So, I mean, hopefully soon, we'll see. I don't know what's been happening, but it is what it is. What's up, everybody? What's going on? I did miss you guys a lot. I really do. I hope you guys know that. I'm not making any of that up. Appreciate it, my man. Yeah, straws. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That lady gave me the nastiest look. I'm sorry, dude. Package is secured, boys. Package is secured. I gotta turn on the light. My man let me through. But yeah, we got like I said, I had a bunch planned, and then weather kind of just tanked for me, and it kind of sucked. But you know, we bounced back here at HP Society. But that's also why I think another project would be fun to have, because yeah, this car can't be out in the wet weather. You know, it can't be wet outside, or else this car will do a 360 and just, you know, get messed up. But you know, if we had a project car that we can work on that also brings more content, and honestly, this next project car, I kind of want to make it a, you know, dedicated to a roll racing or like dig racing, you know. She sounds good, man. I can't wait for this exhaust. I want to find the right car. I want to do it with the right car. I kind of want to go into roll racing, you know, as far as like dedicated roll racing events, and that's why I want to build this next car for, is to be a boosted, you know, monster. So hopefully it all works out. I mean, it's all, you know, it's all God's plan, whatever God's plan. And you know, honestly, I like I said, I was, wherever God steers me is where I go. So I mean, if we end up getting, you know, what we get, I know it's going to be an insane build. Oh my God, this bumpy road. But I know it's going to be an insane build regardless of what it is. I'm super sorry for the, you know, for the lack of content. Just the weather isn't helping me at all, and I know you guys want to see more of the Z28, and I really appreciate all you guys for showing love on Instagram. It means the absolute world to me, because we are killing it on Instagram. But I don't have plans on boosting this thing as of right now. It just doesn't really make sense for me. I like the fact that this car is very versatile. I could throw a drag pack and call it a day, and then if I want to take it, you know, cornering, I just throw this Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's and, you know, go rip it if I want. So that's why I really love this car, because of the versatility like that. But oh wow, this thing's a monster, dude. Thing's a monster. But I always appreciate you guys' support, and you know, HP Society is going to be on a whole different level 2027. This car will be pretty much done, and then, you know, our roll racing car is going to be like stupid. Like, I'm really leaning towards a Coyote, if I'm being honest with you. But if I don't get a Coyote, I will stick with the LS. I just don't know yet, you know. It all depends on pricing. All right, we have made it. We have made it to the garage. Whoa. Damn, look how close that is. Holy shit, that would have been bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Like I said, we have a bunch coming to the channel. I'm super sorry for the lack of content. It just, weather doesn't make sense, and the only time it's dry out is when it's at 10 o'clock at night. So I kind of wanted to throw you guys a bone. I really do apologize. I'm trying here. I really am. We have this whole space for another project car, and like I said, it's going to be insane. I don't know what I want yet. It's a handful of stuff. I'm always open to suggestions. Please DM me on Instagram at HP Society, and I answer every DM. So please DM me, give me some suggestions on what I should build, whether it's drag racing or roll racing. We want to get into the straight line stuff, and that's really what this next car is going to be about. So I'm open to suggestions. I appreciate you guys all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button. It means the world to me when I see those likes. Yeah, a lot of stuff for the Z28 coming. We still have all this. Every video I show you guys all the mods that we have still left on this thing, and it is going to be a monster. Just stay tuned for what I have planned. I'm so locked in right now. It's worth waiting for, and HP Society Racing in 2027 is going to be insane. Like, you guys don't even know. Like, we're going to be going into some real competition, and that's really what I want to do. And we're going to be doing events. We're going to do a lot of stuff 2027. So please stay tuned. Follow me on this journey. Let's do this shit together. I appreciate you guys all so much for watching. Love you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. See ya.